3.2 Know Your Program. What brought you to your initial decision of going into the degree you chose? Well, my decision to pursue a degree in game development was driven by a lifelong passion for technology and a desire to create interactive experiences. As a parent, I also wanted to show my children that education is a continuous journey that can be embarked upon at any age, and that it's never too late to follow your dreams and achieve new goals. This personal mission is fueled by a deep appreciation for the art of game design, a compassion for those I can inspire, and the achievement of contributing meaningful work to the industry. Jason Hinders has been program director and dean of Full Sail University's Game Development Bachelor's and Computer Science Bachelor's program since 2019. What kind of software and/or programming languages will you be using in your degree? Well, some of the software is going to be Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Project Pro, Microsoft Visio Pro, and Unreal Engine. One of the languages that's taught at Full Sail is C++. C++ is an object-oriented programming language that is viewed by many as the best language for creating large-scale applications. C++ is the superset of the C language. What degree skills do you think you would like to focus on and why? The first one I would like to focus on would be technical proficiency. One would be coding skills. I would like to master programming languages such as C++, Java, and/or Python. Mathematical understanding. I've been out of math for a very long time, so I'd like to actually be able to understand concepts like linear algebra, geometry, and calculus. Game systems and mechanics design. You have to understand how game systems function, including gameplay mechanics, progression, and balancing. You have to dive into interactive narrative and character development. What do you think would be the hardest classes that you would have to run into? Why do you think they would be difficult for you? Physics and math. Physics and math, I think, are going to be the hardest for me just because it's been a while since I've done math. My memory's really sucking here lately. What do you think would be the easiest classes that you would run into and why? Unreal Engine. I've used it for 2 years now. I'm familiar with the UI. I'm familiar with the system's requirements. How would you go about succeeding in those hard classes? What can you do now to help prepare for them? Begin studying well in advance. Don't cram, it's less effective. Review class materials on a regular basis to reinforce your understanding. How would you break down your time to make sure you succeed in your classes? First, I would prioritize my tasks. I would identify high priority tasks like assignments, exams, projects, and I would set aside time to actually do those projects. Avoid procrastination. This one right here is my kryptonite. So to avoid this, I actually have to use Google Calendars, and I have to make sure I put everything into my Google Calendars.